In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on a PDF in Adobe Acrobat on a Mac using the Edit PDF tool, Desktop. Before we start, make sure you're using the desktop version of Adobe Acrobat on your Mac and that the PDF you want to work with is ready to go. Once you have Acrobat open, begin by opening your PDF inside the app. This brings your document into the workspace where all the editing tools are available. Next, head to the Tools menu at the top and choose Edit PDF. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and reveals the controls you'll use to place and style new text. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a set of editing options appear. Look for the text icon in the toolbar. It's the capital T. Click that to tell Acrobat you want to add text rather than edit existing elements. With the text tool active, click directly on the spot in your PDF where you want the new text to appear. Acrobat will create a text box at that click point so you can start typing immediately. Go ahead and type your content. If you need to fine-tune the placement, hover over the edges of the text box to drag it to a new position. You can also pull on the handles at the corners or sides to resize the box so your text wraps exactly how you want. As you move the box, Acrobat usually shows subtle alignment guides to help you keep things neat and consistent across the page. While your text box is selected, you'll see formatting options you can use right away. From the editing controls on the left, you can change the font, adjust the size, and pick a color that stands out clearly against the page. If you're adding notes or labels, choose a readable font and a color with good contrast so it's easy to spot. If you're matching an existing design, try to use a font and size that blend in with the document's style. Small tweaks like line spacing and character spacing can make longer text blocks more comfortable to read. As you work, remember to save your changes so nothing gets lost. Go to File, then Save to write your edits into the PDF. If you want to keep the original untouched, you can save a separate copy before you begin or after you're done. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, switch to Edit PDF, use the Text tool to place and style your text, and save. With just these steps, you can add clear, polished text to any PDF on your Mac using Adobe Acrobat.